Modern hero. So naka-tangerine, sir. Sir,
Search and rescue.
congratulations, sir. Meron ka sombrero dito.
Kuya, yan. Yan.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much and have a blessed evening.
Thank you very much, Captain Jed Panis. See you again tomorrow and Sunday. Tama?
Yes, ma'am.
Maraming salamat. I hope you guys
Ay,
learned
ma'am.
something new. Yes, sir.
Isip ko lang kung gaano kalakas yung tunog ng ating speaker.
Sige, sir. Hindi naman siguro sasabog.
Hindi, idepende ko lang, hindi ko nag-100.
Okay, sige.
Para at least meron kayong idea yung sinasabi ko, when you rescue someone, pag ang tagal dumating ng ating rescuers, meron pwedeng dumating yung ating mga drones para sabihin, please stay calm, darating na ang rescue. So it will raise the morale of our survivors. Sige ma'am. Magsaset up pa eh. So mukhang nagmamadali na. Okay na.
O sige, later na lang.
Later
Pwede
na lang.
dun sa booth. Pwede natin ipa-demo yan. Kakakita natin later.
Yes ma'am.
Yan.
Pwede na lang po. Okay?
Alright, thank you very much. Woo.
Thank you so much.
Up next, we have 5-0, ang kaabang-abang ng kanyang mga fans, navigating firearm safety and